Are you buying a home? Here's what you need to know about homeowners insurance. Purchasing a home can be exciting, but it also comes with responsibilities, like purchasing and securing homeowners insurance. A good policy not only protects your home and belongings, but also offers peace of mind in case of theft, fire, or unexpected events. What's typically covered in a homeowner's insurance policy? Here's dwelling coverage. What does it cover? Dwelling coverage, it covers the cost to rebuild or repair your home after damage from covered perils like fire, hail, or vandalism. How much do you need? Based on the estimated cost to rebuild, not the market value of your home. So it's the estimated replacement cost. If God forbid the home burned to the ground, what would be the cost to rebuild your home as it is today? It's not the market value. It's other structures. What it does. Other structures protects detached structures like sheds, fences, and detached garages. How much do you need? Typically 10% of your dwelling coverage is covered for other structures. You can adjust this if you have significant structures on your property. Personal property. What it does covers belongings like furniture, clothing, appliances if damaged or destroyed by a covered event. How much do you need? Policies generally cover 50 to 70% of your dwelling coverage for your personal property, but taking a home inventory can help determine if this is sufficient. Loss of use. Loss of use pays for additional living expenses if your home becomes uninhabitable due to a covered loss. So like eating meals out, having to stay in a hotel, or renting a place while your home is under construction is loss of use. And how much do you need? Typically 20 to 30% of your dwelling coverage. For personal liability, how much do you need? Well, standard policies start at $100,000, but you may want more depending on your assets. I always say you want to have more liability coverage than you do assets. So in most cases, I will increase that $100,000 to $500,000 on each policy because it's $2-3 a month to increase it from 100 to 500,000. And then if you've got more assets to protect, you may want to add a separate personal liability umbrella policy that covers additional coverage on top of your homeowner's insurance liability. Medical payments covers medical payments, medical expenses if someone's injured on your property. Your policies include $1,000 per person with higher limits available. Other optional coverages to consider would be additional replacement cost coverage. So you've got your dwelling coverage of say $300,000 for your home. In the event of a total loss, you can add on additional replacement cost coverage of say 20, 25, 50%. Some carriers even do 100% additional, 100% of your dwelling coverage. In Ohio, right now, Progressive does that with their platinum coverage. Other options would be personal property replacement is another optional coverage. It covers items at the replacement cost without taking into consideration depreciation. Special personal property coverage is another option, which makes it kind of like an open peril policy. Special personal property coverage broadens your protection for personal belongings against more risks than just the standard named perils. So homeowners insurance isn't just one size fits all. Understanding what's included and adding coverage where needed ensures your home and assets are properly protected. If you have any questions or need help customizing your policy, let's connect.